Today, take a look at the VEVOR Basketball Arcade. So it actually comes with 4 basketballs, which is kind of cool. Now, these are definitely not going to be regulation size. These are basically going to be palm size, but the fact that it comes with them is actually pretty cool. So we got our net, we got our instructions, a couple of hoops. That's cool. Looks like our shot clock. We got our hardware, and it is all separated out. And then we got the most-amine. So everything on here is labeled. You can see this is 7, this is 8, and these are just going to sit together, and there's a spring pin, so that will lock that together. So we got 4 and 2 are going to go together, 4 and 3 are going to go together, and we got another 7/8. This is 5 and 6. So we're going to do bolt, washer. That's going to come in through the back. That'll go into that corner, and then we're going to put another washer and a nut, and this is a 10mm nut. Then we're going to use our other 26 bolt. That is going to go in through the bottom. To attach the top, we're going to use bolts 24. Now we're going to attach these 2 tubes on the bottom. These are number 9, and those are going to attach with bolts 27. These actually come in a separate bag. So for this, we're using screws 29. These come in a little bag. Now it's just taped to the box. So this has 4 holes in the bottom. We got a plate to go on the back. These are our paddle detectors, so anytime the ball goes through the hoop, it's going to hit this, bend that down. That's going to be how this system tells if you scored a point. So the last thing is the controller. So all we're going to do is press that onto that bar and it'll snap on. So we got this pump for the basketballs. It has a little needle in it. Pop that guy out and spin it in. So the idea here is we're going to pull this out, stick it into the basketball, push it in, and that is going to air it up. But this is going to take a while. It is nice having this so that you got something so you can air them up on the fly, so when everything starts going low. Just to get them ready to go, I'm going to use a pump. They do bounce. So on the controller, we got on, we got play, up and down. So first I'm going to turn it on. Okay, we're going to do game 1. Set the number of players, 2, and 30 seconds. So each point here is going to count as 2 points. I can make 1. There we go. Over here. Okay, yeah. This is why I'm a mechanic. So in the last 10 seconds, each basket counts as 3 points. So getting warmed up is 2 points, and then it goes to 3 points. So for the other game modes, number 2 is 3-point break the time clock, 3 is battle back, 4 is horse. We got checkpoint, around the world, left and right, and 1-to-1. So pretty cool, a lot of different ways to play. And that way it'll take up a lot less space. That is a pretty cool little arcade. Yeah, no, me too. You already made more than I did. Okay.
Come on, everybody, you're part of the game.
There's 3 points now. Oh man, he's coming in. Oh! Oh, there it is.
Oh, good job.
Woo!
Oh, 27.
That's good. So yeah, that thing is a hit.